Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Asana to Slack, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Asana to Slack, start by opening your Slack workspace. Next, launch your web browser and go to the Asana website. Log into your Asana account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Asana app homepage. Click on your team name in the left sidebar to access team settings. Now, look for the customization options within your team settings. Select the Apps tab from the menu. In the Apps section, search for Slack using the search bar. Click on the Slack integration option to begin the installation process. You will be prompted to connect your Slack account. Click on the Connect to Slack button to initiate the connection. A new window will open, asking you to authorize Asana to access your Slack workspace. Review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. After granting access, return to the Asana window. You should now see a confirmation that Asana has been connected to Slack. Next, choose the specific Slack channel where you want Asana notifications to be sent. Customize your notification preferences as needed. Once you've set your preferences, click Save Integration to finalize the setup. Your Asana workspace is now connected to Slack. To test the integration, create a new task in Asana. Check the selected Slack channel for a notification confirming the new task. If the notification appears, your integration is successful. You can now collaborate more efficiently with Asana and Slack combined. Explore additional features to enhance your workflow within both apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.